rain.
Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm creating this look right here. It's a Kim K Met Gala inspired makeup tutorial. I saw so many artists doing this look, so I had to try it out myself because I love Kim Kardashian. So I guess for me this look would be called Kellin Kardashian because I used to be named Kellin Kardashian, but I recently decided to change my name. I just didn't like the feel of it anymore. It wasn't the same as before. I wish it was the same as before, but it wasn't. It just doesn't feel good. I don't know how to make sense of that, but I changed my name and I like it a lot better. Now it's Kellin Proxy because I started watching this anime. It's called Ergo Proxy, and that anime was just so fucking deep. It made me think about life so fucking hard, and that anime just said a lot of messages, and the main message that I remember from that show is I think this old dude was like, the truth is within yourself, look within yourself. And that's so fucking true. Like, you have all the answers to your life, you know what to do, you know what you came here to do, and so look for it, you know, find your purpose, find meaning to your life, you know what I mean? And so that's where I am right now. I think I'm getting out of that stuckness and I'm ready to get back on my shit. I'm ready to do YouTube. I'm ready to do a bunch of looks. Like, I think I'm ready this time, and I hope this is the last time I'm gonna say it, because last time I said the same and it wasn't like that. But I hope, you know what, this will be the last time that I'm gonna say that. This will be the last time. I'm gonna get my shit together. But anyways, I'm just gonna quit talking now. So if you guys want to see how I created Kim K's look, then please keep on watching. Let's see. I look good? I look good. Okay. I'm going to begin with eyebrows. I'm going to be using the medium brown dip brow pomade by ABH, and I'm just going to use this to draw on my eyebrows. So I'm going to go for that arched brow that she has. I'm going to do basically my usual eyebrows, I would say, because they're already arched. I finished this eye off camera and I'm honestly super fucking proud of it. I put glitter on it to give it that more like the wet look, you know what I mean? So it's so fucking pretty. I love it. So now I'm gonna start with the other eye. I'm gonna be using my Pillow Space in shade number 2, and I'm just gonna be carving my eyebrow with this and also priming it. Bitch, this is gonna look bomb. I already feel it. I'm fucking feeling it. I know this is gonna be a bomb ass look. And I'm going to be grabbing my Anastasia number A4 brush. I honestly love this brush because it's so fucking precise. I literally use this to carve up my eyebrows all the fucking time. What the fuck is going on with my eyebrow, bitch? Okay, so literally what happened right now is that I had to do my eyebrows about this one 3 fucking times, and it just wouldn't come out right, and it pissed me the fuck off. But you know what, I'm just gonna keep going. I was this close to giving up because I was just pissed that my eyebrows weren't looking exactly the same, and it's just one of my biggest pet peeves, and I just gotta accept that my eyebrows are not gonna look the same. So right now we're gonna have a mini mukbang. It was my brother's birthday, mini birthday party, I guess, between me and my brothers. So we're gonna take a cake break and eat some cake. My mom brought this down here for me. I'm just pissed that my eyebrows didn't work out. They almost look the same now, but they wouldn't come together earlier. They wouldn't. So I did it 3 fucking times. And now you're trying to make me feel away on purpose. Okay, so now I'm feeling more calm. I'm feeling a lot better. I think I'm ready to do the other eye. I'm not pissed anymore. I'm Gucci. Okay, so now that I prime my eye, I'm going to be using the Nubian by Juvia's Place palette. The first shade I'm going to be going in with is this shade. Then I'm going to go in with this shade. And then for the eyeliner, at the very bottom, I'm going to be using this shade on the corner. And I just wanted to explain that really quick because I'm not going to go back and forth and show you guys the palette. You know, that shit gets annoying. So I'm going to be using the Sigma E25 brush, and I'm just going to apply these on the outer and the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to leave a blank space in the middle. I'm just tapping the color on and then I'm going to diffuse it. Okay, and to diffuse that, I'm going to go in with the second color. And I'm just going to apply that on the edges just to diffuse it. And right now, I'm just building up the pigment, making sure that everything is faded and with lots of pigment. I hate the fact that I have to hold the mirror up to my face because I feel like I can't be precise without it right in my face. So I have to do that. Okay, so now before I do anything else, I'm going to go in with the brown eyeliner. So the last color that I pointed out, I'm just going to do a very, very small wing. So to give that wet effect to the eye, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Ladybird. It's like a white shimmery almost. I'm making sure that it's super fucking pigmented as the other eye. I'm loving how it's coming out. It's like super simple, but it's also like out of this world, you know what I mean? Okay, so now to add that extra wet effect, I'm going to go in with Beauty Creations glitter in the shade Silver Dust. And this is just going to add more sparkle and more glam to the whole look. Okay, so for the last step of this eye look, I'm going to go in with lashes. I'm going to be using the Desert Goddess lashes in Morocco. These lashes are so fucking pretty, like, they're so big and fluffy. I love them. Okay, so now that our eyes are done, I'm going to go in with primer. I'm going to be using the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I feel like this is going to help give you that wet effect. You know, it's just going to make you look dewy. If my nail polish looks shitty, just ignore it. Just don't even pay attention to it. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Mattifying Primer. I love this primer. I usually just use it on my T-zone. Okay, so now for the fun part, foundation, bitch. I'm excited. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with contour. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Tan Tour, and this is in the shade Fair, which is honestly pretty dark to me. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with concealer. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C7. Now to highlight just a little bit more, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer as well, and this isn't going to be in the shade C3. I just wanted more highlight to it. So now I'm going to bake my face. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie. And I'm just tapping it in with the sponge that I got from Walmart. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a clean brush and I'm just going to slightly dust everything away just by tapping it, because you don't want to just drag the brush, because I feel like that makes the makeup come off a bit. So you just want to make sure you're tapping it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with bronzer, and I'm gonna be using the contour kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in powder. I'm gonna be grabbing this shade right here, and I'm just gonna slightly add a little bit of product, not too much. I'm gonna be using the Bahamas blush palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. No, I'm gonna be mixing these two shades actually, just to give it that peachy but also pink effect. Just making sure I dust the brush off. Okay, so before anything else, I'm just gonna grab the darkest shade, not the darkest shade, the lighter shade that I used of the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm just gonna put it right under my lash line. And I'm just gonna grab a tiny little brush, and I'm just gonna add the second shade to the lash line. And then I'm gonna go with the darker brown, and I'm just gonna slightly add it on the inner corner. Just in a round shape, because I know she has some darkness around her inner corner. I think they put it like around it, like I noticed that. So I'm just gonna do the same with my eyeshadow, and then I'm also gonna add it to the lower lash line where it's barely visible, just a small line throughout the whole thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with mascara on my lower lashes. I'm gonna try to put a shit ton of it because I want them to be long and pretty and to stand out as well. Okay, so I finished some of the look off camera because I added these droplets because it was just taking too long on camera. So I was like, fuck this, I can't do this on camera. But basically what I did is just added adhesive from Walmart. It's just, I don't know, I think this is like a gem glue from Walmart that I got on Halloween, so I use it for that, and it's very useful. So I stuck it to my hair, which was the most complicated part. Like I had to stick it to each strand with this adhesive, and my hands just got all sticky, but it was worth it, bitch, because look, like, wow, I'm shook. Like, I'm fucking shook. It looks fucking bomb. I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX glitter drops, and this is just gonna enhance the highlighter a lot more, and it's gonna make it look wet, bitch. I'm excited. I only add a little bit to this because a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just slowly blending it with my finger because I feel like it blends out a lot better with the finger. So next, I'm gonna go in with the Queen's highlighter. You already know who I'm talking about, bitch. The Queen Amrezy. I'm gonna go in with her highlighter, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia brush and the number 823. This is my favorite brush for highlighter. Damn, bitch, that fucking glow. Okay, and now I'm just gonna quickly add some setting spray. Let's see which one I'm at. I'm gonna just use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Setting spray is my favorite part, bitch. Fuck, that feels so fucking good. So now I'm gonna go in with lipstick. First lipstick that I'm gonna be using is by Anastasia. This is in the shade Malt. It's just kind of like a reddish brown, and I'm just gonna be using this to outline my lips. I'm gonna try the Kat Von D shade. Okay, yeah. So now for the gloss, I'm excited. I'm going to be using the Fenty gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. I'm just going to apply this on top. This shit smells so fucking good. Now on top of that Fenty gloss, I'm going to go in with the clear gloss in the shade Princess by ColourPop. Okay, so now I'm going to begin with sticking the water droplets to my face. I'm looking for ones that are really precise. I need to make sure that these look like water droplets because I made a bunch, but not all of them look that great. Okay, so now for the final touches, I'm gonna add some glitter all over my face, the one that I used on my eye. I'm just gonna tap it everywhere. I'm gonna lift my head up and just tap it everywhere, because I really want that shiny effect. I want that wet effect. Like, I want to look shiny as fuck. Do you guys see that? Damn, I'm fucking shining, bitch. Okay, so this is the finished look right here. I'm completely obsessed with how it came out. The glitter, literally the glitter is what just, it like filled me with life. The glitter is just, you guys see that? Like, I'm just shining everywhere I look, every angle I look. Like, I'm just obsessed. I'm fucking obsessed. I feel like a bomb ass bitch. I look like a bomb ass bitch. I just don't want to take this makeup off either. Oh my gosh, my heart. Like, when I put the glitter on, my soul left my body. I don't know how to explain it, but it fucking left my body. But anyways, I'm just gonna quit talking now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, and go on my Instagram, show some love to my Kim K post, and tag Mario, tag Kim. I would love for them to see it. It would mean so much to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.